So the urban company plumber got this installed today, and that's the result. Let's see how long it lasts. So this thing came, the frame, the filter itself, and this frame came with the filter, but he had to purchase all of these things. He had to purchase these reducers. He had to purchase this elbow, this pipe, all of it, and Teflon tapes, as well as these bits and pieces that's sticking out. Um, and this thing is a little. So, anyway, and he charged me a total of 2,600 rupees. So 1,700 was the total cost of the, well, 2,700 rupees. So 1,700 was the total cost of the stuff that he had to buy, and 1,000 rupees was his charge, which I think is fair enough. And I don't, given the fact that this is 6,000 and I paid him 1,000 rupees for his work, I would definitely appreciate if you could just refund me the cost of this, because this did not come with the, and I had to spend an extra money for this.